This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, January 12th. I'm James Spann. It's been a day of low-hanging clouds, fog, light rain, and drizzle across the state. Rather gloomy. Looks like the clouds are going nowhere for a few days. Let's go in there and take a look at the fog. These are images coming in from social media today. That was the fog along Interstate 20 east of Birmingham. Light rain, drizzle, just kind of a dark, gloomy day. That was taken from Vinemont up in northern Cullman County. And that was the fog at Boaz up on top of Sand Mountain in Marshall County today. There's a big picture. We've got this wave that produced the rain today actually moving east of the state. So really, I don't think it rains a lot over the next few days, but the clouds probably will stick around for days, unfortunately. That was the radar at 2:43. Still some light rain showing up over Calhoun County, but the bulk of the detectable rain is over. Still, we'll have some drizzle around tonight. Temperatures are mostly in the low and mid-50s, a few cooler pockets up in northeast Alabama. And around the nation, very cold up north, but again, the upper air winds will keep that really cold air well to the north of the state. Our temperatures for the next several days should be pretty close to averages for this time of the year. Got a dense fog advisory still for parts of Georgia in mid-afternoon, including Atlanta. The advisory for Alabama is dropped, but still, even at mid-afternoon, there are some places with very restricted visibility due to fog. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, and this is showing nothing over the northern half of the state. Maybe some rain down south with a wave Wednesday night and Thursday. Check modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at noon tomorrow. This is at 500 millibars. You can see the flow is basically zonal across the country. We've got shortwave energy over the southwestern U.S., and again, that active southern branch will keep us, I think, trapped in clouds. This is the surface chart. And again, I don't think we see measurable rain. There could be a little drizzle in spots tomorrow, but we have a stalled surface boundary and moisture going up over the top of that. Overrunning will keep the clouds in place, so it should be a cloudy day and a colder day. The high tomorrow should be probably in the mid-40s for most people around here. Really the same thing on Wednesday, a cloudy day. Could there be a little drizzle? Yes, but measurable rain? No, not expected. A cloudy day, and the high should be between 47 and 50 on Wednesday. And even Thursday, I'm not so sure the sun breaks out. We have a wave down in the Gulf that could produce some rain for places like Mobile or Panama City. But up this way, just looks like a cloudy day Thursday with a high close to 50. And then finally, once that wave kicks out, Friday should be a brighter day. Sunshine back in full force, and the high should be in the middle 50s. Hey, the weekend looks good. This is Saturday. How about a sunny day with a high in the low 60s? Come on now. Thickness values are coming up. And Sunday looks good. Partly to mostly sunny. And again, the high Sunday afternoon will likely be in the low 60s. A very comfortable weekend ahead. This is a week from today, Monday the 19th. You can see no sign of any cold air. It's kind of a wavy zonal flow across the country, and that, again, looks rather quiet. And if that's the case, it would be partly to mostly sunny with a high close to 60. This GFS run suggesting the next chance of rain, at least significant rain, could be around Thursday of next week, the 22nd of January. And then 3 days later, another rain event around the 25th. And this is the end of the forecast on the 28th. We've got a trough in the west, a ridge in the east. That's a sign of a positive NAO. And again, that looks like we have some rain coming in here, but the colder air over the western U.S. probably won't make it much. And again, we'll check the teleconnections. This is the Arctic oscillation. Tries to go negative, which could flush out some colder air from the polar region. But the North Atlantic oscillation stays positive late this month, meaning more than likely it's destined for the western half of the United States. And of course, we'll see if that verifies. Temperatures coming off the ensembles, not too bad. For the next few days, highs will be in the mid to upper 40s, then back in the 50s. And again, I think this weekend we could see low 60s. I know this guidance has us in the 50s, but a pretty good chance we'll see 60 or low 60s Saturday and Sunday, but no sign of any really cold Arctic air for the next 15 days. That's the message here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.